Hi crafty friends, Blaze here with Cheeky Bomb, and this is our first of our Halloween embellishment box reveal or swap reveals, and this one is from Blanca, and she's made to, this swap is a make to get to. I'll put everything over in the corner, but I have this little card here. It just says, thank you for hosting a wonderful swap. She loves Halloween. And some or whatnot. So here's her information down below. I will link all of Blanca's information down below. Let's see what I have in my little goodie bag. So I have this little coffin. Sounds like there's something in here. Oh, we have some flowers. So she's used the distressed sprays, like sprays. And put them on these flowers. Those are really cute. Let's see what's up in here. Ooh, lots of goodies. We have a cute little ruler. We have some felt, and so this has some die cuts in here too, but I don't want to open it. So I have some ghosty dies, some pumpkin bits. So I don't know if they're ephemera or they're die cuts, and then like the little felty ghosties. Ooh, we have a little altered notebook. This is cute. I love a good notebook, you know me. These ones, for whatever reason, I've been using these for years. I think I have a couple of the ones that like flip the spiral on the top, but these type of notebooks I love for books. So anytime, I mean, now we have our phones, but I do like sometimes a physical copy. It's thundering out, so just in case you hear that, I like to just write down books that I see that I want to like look up if I want to like read reviews to see if I want them or something like that. It's been something I've been doing since I was a kid. So yeah, I don't do it as much anymore because everything is on my phone. But before that, I would write it down, so I still have a habit of going through there. And I found a bunch of them the other day, and I was just flipping through to see if there was anything that I hadn't read or whatever. And I did find some books that I hadn't read yet, so I made sure that I requested them so I could read them. But love a good notebook. If you're new here, I love notebooks. What else we have? She's got all kinds of like little crafty goodies. Look how cute this little bag is too. Isn't that cute? So we have some little picks. Those will definitely be used. And we have some of the little wood paper clips. This is really cute. If you haven't used these yet, you can use your alcohol ink markers on these, and it takes really well. The Pico like acrylic markers work really well. I like them. I have some little bits of ephemera. Oh, there's the A that was supposed to be on the card. We'll put that back. And then what do we have in here? We have all kinds of stuff. Wow, Blanca. Oh, so we have like little cut aparts. Ooh, these are pretty. Ooh, I don't know what paper collection this is because I have not seen it. So I don't know if this is new or if it's from past years. But I like. Ooh, I love that one. A little creepy. So cute. And then we have some stamped little images. Oh, those are fun. So much fun goodies. I don't want to dwell on these too much because I want to be able to get into your embellishment box. Oh, this is just a little envelope. Look how cute the envelope is too. Little cupcake earrings. Little spooky cupcake earrings. Ooh, and we have, these are crock charms, but these are so easy to snip off and put bails on or just stick them to embellishments. And we have some little spooky ones of those. And we have some little fall ephemera. These are like, we have foxes, owls, mushrooms, and a little squirrel. So cute. We have all this confetti. Oh, that's a cute little paper clip too. That was on something. Is that everything? Oh. Yeah, what is this? Look at all this confetti. What is this? Is this it's like just like a little like sticker, little doodle book. Isn't that cute? look at all this fun stinking confetti. So I'm gonna scoot all that over so that we can get into her embellishment box. And she's got a lot of goodies in here too. So let me open this real quick. Okay, so I wanted to take my time opening it, but she's got a couple little shakers right here. So she's got a little house shaker and a little jack-o'-lantern shaker. She's got like just this little booklet of stuff. So here's a little card. Oh, what is this? Just a little thank you, like a little swap card. That's cute. I love the little ghosty. And then she's just got another little altered notebook for her swap partner, along with one of these little, like, they're like little sketchbooks, but I think that you could put like anything in there. You could use it as like a little Halloween junk journal. You could use it as a little sticker book. Granted, your stickers wouldn't be like reusable, but if you just wanted, you know, a collage of like all the little stickers that you got for the year's swaps or something like that, it's really cute. And then here is her embellishment box. She created this little like book for it. Isn't that cute? I love this skeleton guy. This is a really cool die. And then she's got this embossed ticket on it, and she's got a little coffin that's got some blingy skull on it. Very, very cute. Oh, it's just a sleeve. Okay. I think it's just a sleeve. I think that's glued. Okay, yeah, I just don't want to hurt anything. So it's a really cute sleeve. Love the paper. So on her embellishment box, she's got a little dangle that's full of beads. Love the little hands. Very, very cute. Ooh, look at this bead. I like this one. I don't think I've seen that. So it's like what they call, like, it's like a pumpkin bead, but it's not, because it's just striped. It's not indented, but it's clear with a matte orange. That's really pretty. Really pretty. So here's the top of her box. She's got a little trick or treat. She's got a cauldron. I love this little jack-o'-lantern. So fun. And ooh, she's got all kinds of little stuff in here. So let's see. So she's got a bunch of those little flowers that she made. And then under there, she's got some of those little silicone charms. Ooh, I love the little ghost face. You got Freddy, you got Michael Myers. Ooh, I like that one too. So cute. And then I like this box. She's got a good box because she's got smaller compartments, and then these ones are slightly bigger, so you can like change them. So in this one, she's got some of those little wood paper clips or clothespins. She's got a little tassel paper clip, and a couple little wood veneers. And this one, she's got a ribbon sample, a little candy corn ribbon. She's got this little orange skulls. Those are cute. These are that's a bracelet, but you can easily take it apart and use the beads if wanted. And then she's got a little bit of everything. She's got one of these little bottle cap charms. She's got a little button. She's got a couple little buttons in here that she's made. Those are really cute. And then she's got some bits of ephemera. And there's even a little shrinky dink of a creepy little guy. I think that's Jason. I think that's a Jason mask that he's holding. So cute. And then in this one we have this little, make sure I put this back. In this one we have a little sticker book. These are really cute little stickers. I think I might have some of these from last year. And then we have a whole bunch of skull beads. They're in all different colors. These are really cool. I like that they're matte. So we have all different kinds of colors of skull beads under those. And then here you have your little felty ghosties. Oh, she's even included the little inserts so that you can change the configuration of your little box if you wanted to. Some little bits of ephemera that's kind of gone into the side as well. I think it's like the little bits of ephemera that she had given me. Yeah, so it's like the little fall ephemera. So you have fox, you have squirrels, you have just all kinds of cute little things. And then she's got a couple little bottles here for you. So this one's got some sequin mix in it. These are from the Dollar Tree, but they're so cute. The only thing that stinks is like it's a cute little amber bottle, but you can't see what color it is. Let's see. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's very vibrant. Oh, I'm gonna make a mess. I'm sorry. I probably shouldn't have done that. I will get a little funnel though and pop it back in there. I'm sorry. And then this one, it looks like it has some glitter in it. Oh, it's purple glitter. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see that it's purple. So there's the little jars. And then in this one we have some like little enamel type of stickers. Those are, oh, it's like a crystal ball. Those are really cute. So we have a few of those. Ooh, look at this little guy. Wow, that's weird. So it's like a foam. So I don't know if she did foam clay and put it in a mold, or if she got it like this, but this is really cool. So it's a little tombstone. She's got some little flat backs. I like these little jack-o'-lanterns. She's got a wax seal. All kinds of little charms in here. So much fun. Oops. Look at that little gingy guy. She's got some shrinky dinks. Ooh, look at that skeleton. He's cool. All kinds of stuff. I love the little like voodoo gingerbread men. So cute. This came over. Oh, we'll get it. So much fun. And now it's just trying to like get it all back in, right? And then we have this compartment that's full of just jemmies. So you have all kinds of Halloween colored jemmies. So green, purple, orange, black. And then she's got like more of these like shrinky dink charms. So these are just acrylic and it looks like the surface is scratched, but it's not. This is just a protective film that you can peel off. But we have little horror movie guys. So I know not everybody's into horror movies, but I like horror movies. They're cool. So we have Chucky, we have Jason, we have Freddy and Jason. Here's Jason. These are really cool. Freddy and Jason, Butterfly, Annabelle. This is Dracula. Oh no, it's Michael Myers. These are really cool. I haven't seen these. So a lot of unique things that I haven't seen yet. So that is our first embellishment box. So thank you, Blanca, for participating. Make sure you give her some crafty love, and I'm going to package everything all up, and we'll see you guys in the next swap.